Hello friends, in this video we will review the movie Do Aur Do Pyaar starring Vidya, Balan and Pratik Gandhi. They are supported by Ileana D'Cruz and Sendhil Ramamurthy. Do Aur Do Pyaar is a rom-com directed by debutant Srisha Kuhar Thakurata. We will be talking about the positives and negatives of the movie, so please stay tuned till the end of the video to find out the final verdict. Let's begin with the positive. The high point of the movie is definitely the acting of Vidya Balan, and she is very well supported by the talented Pratik Gandhi. Vidya Balan excels in one of the particular scenes where she is confronting her father. In another scene where she is fighting with Pratik Gandhi, her emotions are extremely well captured. Pratik Gandhi of Scam 1992 fame also puts in a great show. The acting of the supporting cast of Ileana D'Cruz and Sendhil Ramamurthy is also decent. But the problem starts with the style of story narration, the screenplay, the BGM and the background score. Nothing seems to pan out. The storytelling narrative is very flat. There are not enough high points in the movie. The screenplay is not engaging enough, and the human connection and the comedy scenes do not work out. In a rom-com movie, it's very important for the emotions to flesh out, but the movie falls flat on that aspect, and the comedy scenes are not funny and engaging enough. There are hardly a couple of scenes in the movie where the audience managed to have a good laugh. The story revolves around Pratik Gandhi and Vidya Balan, who are married for 12 years, but they do not seem to enjoy each other's company anymore, to share an emotional connect with each other. Both of them felt trapped in their respective marriages, and they have their respective partners to make love with, Ileana D'Cruz and Sendhil Ramamurthy. The screenplay and the narrative seems to be half-baked, and there is not enough emotional connect with the lead characters. Overall, Do Aur Do Pyaar is a very flat movie. If we talk about the positive aspect, we can only think about the performance of the lead characters. Apart from that, all the technical aspects seem to go haywire. 3SS Reviews gives 2 stars out of 5 to Do Aur Do Pyaar. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and family and comment and let us know if any of you have watched the movie and whose performance you liked the most. If you liked the video, please like, share and comment. Follow my Facebook and Instagram profiles given on the screen, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for future notification. Thank you.